Hello and welcome back. So I did some adjustments to the carapace here. So I deleted all of the blobs. This one was fine, but the head was too big for, well, the head was the right size for the body, but the carapace was not the right size. So I've just been doing some editing for that. I'm just going to smooth these around a bit. So I'm going to move this one down a bit, just a little bit. We'll move this one up, move this one up. That's better. Remove the carapace a bit closer to the body as well. Do the same for this one. And this one. I think that's better. Yeah. Well, for now, we'll shape this a bit too, just so that it doesn't look really weird here. So I'm going to just move this, and then we'll put and then we'll move down. And this corner will move down as well, like that. And we'll just even that out a bit. Okay, cool. So put some eyes in, but I don't actually think the Baneling has eyes. Oh, I think it does. I think they're like really small. So I'm going to make them a bit more prominent, just so that it feels like something that's alive. I'm going to go in and so we're going to append in I guess a sphere, and we'll move that to about here, like this. Yeah, that's not a bad place actually. Probably about here. I mean, I could have used Z spheres for this actually, but that's fine. And we'll just stretch this out like this. And we'll give it some geometry so it doesn't flake out here. Cool. So we'll solo this and we'll come on. Cool. So now we'll just make it bigger on this side. Back a bit too far forward. Damn, why'd I bring it forward so much? Hold on. Okay. keep it like that, and we'll move these down. Sweet. At least now we've got something to cover this up. We'll duplicate that and we'll mirror that. Where are you? There we go. Sweet. Go back here and we will merge down and symmetry. Cool. Alright, well, I think I'll leave it there, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. And it's really dark actually. The webcam isn't doing too well, but that's fine. Anyway, like I said, leave it there and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.